You open the Shein app. There are 6,000 new products today. It's 2 a.m. You're swiping, not because you need anything, because your brain is hooked. But that's exactly what Shein wants. Behind the pastel discounts and $2 tops is a machine. One designed not just to sell, but to addict. And if that was the worst of it, this wouldn't be a story. But we haven't even started. Because buried inside Shein's catalog, among the sweaters and swimsuits, were weapons. Brass knuckles disguised as rings, concealed switchblades, and worse, sex dolls. Some appearing so small, regulators questioned whether they were modeled after children. How did this happen? A global fashion empire powered by TikTok hauls and stolen trends, accidentally or intentionally selling illegal goods?
Under pressure, the Asian e-commerce giant Shein has banned childlike sex dolls after a furious backlash.
Governments opened investigations. Shein quietly deleted listings. But the deeper we look, the more disturbing it gets. Because Shein isn't a fashion company, it's a psychology company. Let me explain. Most stores try to sell you clothes. Shein sells impulse. Every second you spend inside the app, it's learning you. How long you hovered, what colors you paused on, even your scrolling rhythm. Then it uses that data to flood you with just for you suggestions. It's not showing you clothes, it's running a behavioral experiment. The result? A feed that never ends, a dopamine loop that hijacks your brain. And it's working. Shein is the most downloaded shopping app in the world. It overtook Amazon, and its users check it more often than Instagram. But what happens when you combine this machine with the dark side of globalization? In hidden factories across China, workers stitch Shein's endless designs for pennies. Some make 500 pieces a day, 12-hour shifts, few days off. Wages so low, they can't afford the clothes they make. Shein moves fast, faster than any brand in history. But speed has a cost. Mistakes happen. Like the toddler-sized sex dolls, like the weapons, like clothes with slurs printed on them that slipped through the cracks. Except these aren't cracks. This is the system. Upload fast, sell faster, clean up later, if someone notices. And while they rake in billions, they flood the planet with cheap polyester. Landfills in Africa overflow with discarded Shein outfits, barely worn, already trash. Entire beaches buried in synthetic sludge. But here's the most brilliant and terrifying part. None of this feels evil when you're on the app. It feels fun, harmless, a game. Because Shein doesn't try to be trusted. It just tries to be opened. Every second, every scroll. It wins not by making you believe, but by making you click. And maybe that's the real genius. It didn't need billboards or celebrities, just boredom and a billion dopamine-deprived brains. So the next time you open that app, ask yourself, are you shopping or are you being shopped? And this story is only the beginning. Because somewhere right now, another billion-dollar empire is being built the exact same way. And when it finally collapses, we'll be here to uncover it. Stay tuned for the next story.